In this quick video, I'll show you how to add new contacts to WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and also like this video. So adding a new contact in WhatsApp is really easy, but before that make sure your contact uses WhatsApp. Now to add a contact, click on this icon which is green. Once you tap on it, now click on new contact and here fill the information about your contact such as his first name, last name and his phone number. So I'll just type here his first name. For example, I'll type here ABC. Now type the phone number. Once you fill all of this information, now we need to save our contact. To save it, you can see there is this option which is save to. If you want to save this contact to your Gmail address, then select that Gmail address from here, or you can save your contact in your phone as well. So for that, I'll simply select my phone here, then tap on save. Now you will find your contact inside this contact list. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel? I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.